DriveELD is an easy, low-cost, reliable solution for meeting the FMCSA mandate requirements. For only $99 a year per truck, you will receive the hardware you need to use our driver mobile app and carrier website. To get started, plug the device into your diagnostic port. The DriveELD hardware comes with a connection for 9-pin ports, but adapters are available for 6-pin and OBD2 ports on our website. Download the free DriveELD app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once the app has downloaded, tap Sign Up to set up your account. Upon account setup, wirelessly connect the device to your smartphone or tablet. From here, we will do the heavy lifting by keeping track of your hours, notifying you if a break is needed, and monitoring your duty status. With our easy-to-use intuitive mobile application, it is easier than ever before to stay compliant with the FMCSA. Order today at www.drive-eld.com. DriveELD, your solution to ELD compliance.